Welcome to Technicsy, the channel where we discuss the latest trends and news in the world of technology. Today I am going to share you about dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where an online store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. The dropshipping model offers several advantages to both the merchant and the customer. For the merchant, it eliminates the need to invest in inventory and allows them to focus on marketing and selling products. For the customer, it means a wider selection of products, faster delivery times, and lower prices. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a dropshipping business. 1. Choose a niche. The first step is to decide what you want to sell. This could be anything from clothing to electronics to home goods. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a sizable market. 2. Find a supplier. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is to find a supplier who can provide the products you want to sell. There are many suppliers to choose from, including Alibaba, AliExpress, and Oberlo. 3. Set up an online store. You can use a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up an online store. Make sure to choose a theme and design that fits your niche and brand. 4. Add products. After setting up your store, you'll need to add products to your inventory. This can be done by importing products from your supplier's website or manually adding them to your store. 5. Market your store. Once your store is set up, it's time to start marketing it. This can be done through social media, paid advertising, and content marketing. 6. Fulfill orders. When a customer places an order, you'll need to purchase the product from your supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. 7. Monitor and optimize. Finally, it's important to monitor your sales and optimize your store based on customer feedback and sales data. Overall, dropshipping can be a lucrative and flexible way to start an online business. However, it's important to do your research and choose a niche and supplier that fits your goals and budget.